Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix weak signal on your Mono Magic V6. So first, what are we gonna do is we're gonna toggle the airplane mode on and off to refresh network connection. So not a lot of people know this, but if you enable the airplane mode and you turn it off, it will search for the coverage again. So, in short, long story short, basically it will try and get you the best signal possible whenever you try to restart it with the airplane mode. As you guys can see, now we are on the 4 and we were on 3. So, that's what I mean by looking for better signal. Now, what you guys want to do is move to an area with better coverage. So you can try moving out to an area with better coverage, because you can try and see if maybe that's the phone's issue or maybe that's just the issue with your coverage in your area. What are we going to do next is we're going to go over into the settings. Here we're going to go to mobile network and gonna click on mobile data. Here, what are we gonna do is we have a lot of options, as you guys can see, but here we have the Wi-Fi calling, and this is what we want to enable. Now we're gonna click enable, and as you guys can see, the calling preference should be Wi-Fi preferred. After we change it, what are we gonna do is we're gonna switch to the preferred network mode from 5G LTE 3G 2G auto. We're gonna switch it to LGE 3G 2G, so this will put us at 4G right now. And now we're gonna switch it to 5, and we switch it depending on our coverage, because sometimes 4G may have better coverage than 5G in some places, so you need to make sure that maybe 4G is just running better than 5G. These are the coverage issues, and it's pretty normal. Now, as a last resort, what you guys can do is simply contact your carrier to check for any outages. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.